Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be just wrapping up some gifts since Christmas is in 2 days, and I'll be showing y'all me wrapping up these gifts and basically record the end for Christmas Day. I have my tripod right now, and plus my screen's getting dark, so I don't know how to fix that. So sorry for the bad quality right now. This is the first gift. It's really big. It's a jewelry box / mirror, LED mirror. So yeah, this is my mother right here, and yeah. So back, I'm going to be showing y'all how I wrap it. So basically, I moved to the floor because this package is very big. So, trying to wrap it up now.
Hang all the mistletoe, I'm gonna get to know you better.
To my mom, thank you to my mom, So if you don't know, my brother's a big Drake fan, like the biggest Drake fan. So I got him a hoodie. Fire! So I got him this hoodie of Drake. All the dogs. And this. Isn't it fire?
It's Christmas, and as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together. This Christmas.
True Religion teas. The True Religion is slowly coming back.
By your side is blazing bright. We're caroling through the night.
She loves playing music.
And this Christmas will be a very special.
I really have my tape, so I can't finish it tomorrow after work. So I have to get more wrapping paper too, and get some more tape because I ran out. And I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 7. So I guess that's side wrapped. So yeah, get back to y'all soon.
Okay.
Well.
Oh.
These people got me up early in the morning. Right, Jordan? Well, y'all pick up a gift that I got you.
Oh, I got a sticker! Oh my god! Yo, I got a sticker! Oh my god! Oh, this one was for the order! Oh my god! Thank you guys. You like that, Kimmy?
Yes. This is a chain.
Oh,
I got it.
It's like the same chain I have,
nice.
Thank you so much, Boo.
She said, "Boo." Hi, Merry Christmas. These kids don't listen.
Look. Wait, what is this? Is this a bracelet?
Yeah.
Thank you, Mom.
Don't pull it. We might have to untangle it.
Yeah, it must have got it shaken up.
Oh, shit.
Ooh, we have the same
She
shoes.
just headbutt the Vaseline on my
Nope, she had the same sneakers as me.
Come here.
Oh, you want to match?
Hold up.
No, you said you like my sneakers, so.
Yeah.
No.
Well, is it the... This is... Oh, wait.
I know you got for my lips.
No, it's not for your lips. It's for you to start your own lip gloss business. And you can start selling those.
So you gonna help me with that? Period.
I don't know how to make lip gloss, but okay.
And know what? How much is on here?
Oh, so it's inside.
$5. Whew. Beats.
Oh shit.
I was gonna get you a pink one, so they sold out. So I had to get you a purple case to put on top of the black one.
Listen to my music.
Oh, let me get that other earphone. I got oh.
Fuck, I bought something else.
Merry Christmas, Jordan. Thank you, Jordan.
This nigga light skinned and conceited.
Not this nigga by his own gift putting it under the tree.
And I told him, I said, why are you putting that gift under the tree and then wrap it? It was for himself.
Not this nigga by himself gift cards.
No, that's for the fucking. That's for the party.
Who's your nanny?
Can you go open your presents? Because you do have presents, sir.
I did. I opened it.
No, honey. You have presents.
Why you say it like that?
Because your mother bought you some shit.
Yeah.
What's so funny about it? What's so funny about this?
God damn, Jordan.
He said it was gonna be funny.
What are you?
Somebody, it might blow up. What the fuck is in this package?
Oh, finally! I needed this.
Nice. Your nice water bottle for your games. All right, Jordan. Open the gift pop. Huh?
Let me see it.
What is
Show it? Thank you.
Nice.
Nice.
Next.
Privilege and teas.
Scoot over just a little bit.
Look, I know exactly where I want it. I know my boxes. This is cool. What smell is this?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
I just picked it up.
Oh, I'm weird around.
I don't know how to pick. I don't know how it smells. I just picked it up.
Smell good. I used to have the female version.
Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus!
Stop doing
Sure.
that.
I'm like Tiger Woods.
Oh no, that shit is loud.
That's so hard.
Not on God Day.
What is this?
Sorry.
We're back on the Christmas Day.
What the fuck is this?
Merry Christmas, guys. I hope y'all enjoy your day.
Let me see.
Eat good.
Zoom it up so you don't have
I
to
was
see.
trying to. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Jordan, I'm
Bye,
tired.
guys.
You
Back-
put that away.
Back to Carrie. Lily. Back
No.
to Carrie.
Talk. Go. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Lily. And thank you, Jordan. For all the presents.
And back to Jordan. Go. Go, Jordan. Go. Back to me.
He needs a scissors.
Anyways,
He's
thank you
struggling.
guys. Thank you for my family.
It's difficult.
Thank you for the gifts. That Lily is facing to his face. Thank you for the gifts that I got for Christmas. I appreciate everything so much. I love you.
Peace out.
Bye.
I'm out.
Oh, you're doing your pussy talk, boy.
What happened?
It's the Knicks.
The next.
Black on black. Exclusive.
Wait,
It's bigger than black and white.
hold on. You're missing the gift that I got you.
That's my favorite
Wait,
team.
let him focus. Tell me that shit's not
Yo,
fire.
that shit is fire.
That's fire.
Look at the back. Look at the back.
I did. That's
Nah,
fire.
I never saw no shit like that
Now I just gotta go
before.
to a game.
I never
It's
saw
his
black
mama
on-
that got that.
I never saw black on black.
See?
You can sit in there and cut away with mommy. Get
Yeah,
up.
this is it. This is it.
Lily, get up,
The
please.
biggest drinking fan.
You want me to play some
This
Jesus?
is it.
Who the fuck is this? This is Aaliyah.
I don't know what that is.
Yes, I know you love Aaliyah.
Not for you.
I do.
Oh, his favorite singer is my favorite
It's
singer?
Freddy Krueger.
Yeah, his favorite
Wait,
singer.
she was Freddy Krueger.
It's a Freddy Krueger.
Aubrey. It's Aubrey.
It's Drake.
Drake.
Oh my god, this shit is hard.
Well, you gotta come back in the camera, homeboy.
Jordan! This nigga about to cry? He loves Drake so much.
Oh my god.
Wait, you have to look in the back.
Oh my gosh.
This nigga crying.
I knew you
Oh,
gonna
that's
like it.
fire.
That's cute. Can I read
That is fire. Actually,
No.
fuck not.
Look, this nigga, he loves Drake so much.
Oh, you didn't put on my hoodie.
Yeah.
This is Drake.
Jealous much? Jealous much?
Okay.
Alright, Merry Christmas.
Oh, you got this.
This girl was trying to be so naughty. The lady told me I take the hangers off, and she almost took the hanger off of that. I like, no.
Oh, you know I was paying attention. Thank you.
Cardigan.
It's fire.
Let me see.
It's Nike.
Here he is.
I see the swoosh.
See my eyes?
No, I didn't see your eyes. I was shit. Oh my god.
Near, where my bracelet?
Hey.
The whole family.
Be careful.
Oh, needle. Oh, thumbtacks. Okay. Mom, you are hardworking.
Oh, I was so. Oh, she put on a little stick in there.
Kind. I love
Aww.
you. Oh, my baby.
Hey.
Oh, my
I was like, where's the ever to the right?
Hey, we exist.
Don't.
Jordan, you still have a tag on your sweatshirt.
This is how it looks, guys. How can I clear this up?
A hanging cabinet.
Look.
I'm in the hanging cabinet.
So this is how it looks. I know you've been wanting a Jerry box. So this is a Jerry box slash LED light slash mirror.
Shit.
Oh God! I thought you were about to knock that thing. I thought you were about to knock my camera out of my hand. So you have to build it for you because I know that shit's not built together.
Thank you. Oh, yes. Lord knows
So it's a
I'm
ring.
lot of jewelry.
So it's a ring light slash
And everything.
everything in it.
Oh, my God.
But there's one catch.
What?
There's one catch. You have to trade us
Trading mirrors.
because they broke this mirror. So give me your mirror and you get that.
Yep.
All right, y'all can have that.
We won Christmas. We won.
We won. That's it. Game
We won
over.
the-
My gift gifts. Says my sis. You show it to me? Because you have a lot of sisters.
My sisters. All three.
Oh, all three of you.
Oh.
Girls, get in.
You have a lot of sisters
I
here.
know I fucking.
Should it?
Move your stuff and get closer.
Oh, I want
No.
the white ones.
I want these.
I just claimed
This is
them.
why I said
All
my
right.
sisters.
What color you want?
Lily.
Sorry, there's nothing to
I just
Whoa.
claimed this one.
All right. I claimed them socks. Hey. I got pink. Stuck with pink. Once again, whoop you did. Try to get rid of all right. From Nana's. Who the fuck calls her mama?
Somebody calls me Mama Bear.
No, I've never heard that. You call her mama bear?
When last time I told you that?
Oh my god. Are these freaking rain boots? Cause I need them. Oh, they actually have boots? That have rain boots? Yeah.
Oh.
Because I'm tired of fucking up my
Sexy
sneakers.
fat ass.
My ankles are not flat.
You're welcome.
Fake. God damn it. This is a... Thank you all, because I need these.
She almost bought rain boots last night, so I'm like, no.
Oh, that's why you were saying no black. Oh, I almost crumble on my damn... My trendy sister, what's in here?
I don't remember. I'm so serious.
Yo,
I
this
don't remember.
nigga is such an asshole. I don't remember.
What is that? Graffiti. Yes.
Ooh, look at
I like this. Ooh. Yes, I like this. with baggy jeans. Yes, so I go to.
Oh gosh.
What?
And those boots.
TikTok look.
Oh, those boots are look cute with it too. These boots.
Okay.
But she didn't want me to say.
Your mother.
I'm sorry, but I'm making one tomorrow. I know I'm making breakfast today.
Oh, fuck.
You
I
thought you
got
was
so
gonna get
many
first?
gifts back.
Oh, you ordered it?
Yeah.
Is it from Amazon?
Yes.
Do that job. You can
I
try
know.
it. Oh my god. No more frozen Eggos. Yes.
Wait a minute, you got the maker?
Yeah. It's a heart one?
Yeah.
Oh
It's the
my
same from
god.
Really got a big one.
Oh gosh.
Fenty.
Fenty lip gloss, cause I'm on my last straw. My shit is crusty right now too. Probably need it right now. Why does it feel like it's open? Right
Because they fucking threw it in the annual kind of way. I was pissed off.
Let me see if it's actually smooth. Cause some lip gloss is not smooth.
Don't give me shit.
I think Rihanna know what she doing. I'm serious. This is the smoothest lip gloss I ever had in my damn life. What the heck is this?
That's what it is.
What is it? I'm gonna have to open it.
So open it.
I'm not good at scissors.
Oh, this one's extra.
Hold on. Cause I always cut myself. Oh. I don't have to put my hair supplies in a bag no more.
Nope.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you. Fucking Lord. Sorry. I'm sorry, Lord.
I got a little thing, cabinet. Thank you, Lord. Yes.
Thank your mother.
Thank you, Lord, and my mother.
It's Santa.
No,
Maybe.
Santa's not real.
Maybe.
Thank you after you help her put it
Thank
up.
you.
Hey.
Oh my God. 'Cause I swear, if
This
these
is
are.
over here having.
I'm sorry, but it feels like
Hungry.
sneakers, and I think it's the sneakers I've been wanting for a long time. Like, these sneakers are so old, but I just want them. These are. It doesn't even tell me the name at the outside. Oh! Bobby, hold on. Hold on. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh my God. These things are so old, but I don't care. I don't care. I've been wanting these for so long.
You got the karma.
Oh my
I had
God.
the blue ones,
Thank you.
but
These shits came out when I was in freaking middle school. Oh my God. Thank you, Lord. I mean, thank you, Mommy, and Lord. Thank you so much, everybody.
Alright. You had a decent Christmas?
Yes.
Yes, thank
Wait.
What time do y'all want me
That's
to
your
make
grandmother.
breakfast? What time do you want me to make breakfast?
you. Right now.
I think I gotta pick it
Do it at like 10, 11, 12.
We're older siblings.
Me too.
When they're done opening gifts, we clean them up.
We're all these siblings.
Let's get to the end.
We're all these siblings. Of course,
Huh?
we're gonna get mad with my
That's a
mom.
lot of food.
Don't whoop that ass.
Don't
no
whoop
more.
that ass no more. She lost her big.
She sure did. Lily.
So, I was about to say
Mommy.
thank you guys for watching my channel, but I'm
That's
actually
put on a cute
gonna
outfit.
show y'all
You're
me
so
cooking
proud of
French
me.
toast for the first
Where are you
time.
going?
It's
not
TikTok
going
recipe, so and with some ice cold tea.
Well, I don't know.
Cause we don't go to Dunkin'.
You ain't going no fucking way.
Yeah, I
It's
know.
Christmas.
I know
You
I'm
see
not
that
going.
money.
You're weird. That's what
Lily is blogging.
Lily's for too much.
Vlogging. not
Vlogging, not
vlogging.
vlogging.
Blogging is this. So I'll come back to y'all later when I'm cooking the French toast, okay? Okay.
To my sister, I'm proud of you on your journey as a influencer in all that you do. This is to keep you going. It did not get wrapped. It's a very late gift.
How did he forget that he gave me a gift? Yes! Jim Girly.
Oh God.
Is that a Stanley?
No, I actually have a Stanley in the room. This is a small dinner Stanley. This is perfect. I don't have to be drinking from the water fountain no more.
Oh God.
And it clear with my Jim, we be happy.
Yeah, I
Yes.
feel like throughout the day there's other gifts I forgot to give everybody, but I'll just give them to you as I see them.
To my Jim Girlies, get you a cup.
Or get you a brother who will buy you one.
Get you a brother that will buy you
Period.
one.
Pooh.
Period. Pooh. Well,
Free
I'll come back.
YSL.
Not the free one.
Come on, Jeffrey, come home. Let's go.
So I'll see y'all when I actually make some breakfast. I'm like a little nap. Actually, my other little video that I was supposed to post. So that video is gonna come out before I drop this.
Hard.
So.
GoPro and make a video.
Guys, I'm back. And we're about to make French toast. And I learned this recipe from TikTok. So let's get the ingredients.
Wow. That's casserole? Oh.
Oh, are you freaking kidding me? My camera's about to die, y'all. I'm just gonna have to record on my phone, Sally. So that's what I'm gonna do. Record on my phone.
But baby, it's cold outside.
So I'm on my camera. I'm on my phone right now, recording. My camera is very live. So I'm gonna make a nice TikTok recipe of this French toast. So I have to add 1 cup of everything. Jordan, did you not take out the everything for me? But the recipe, let me put everything together. So it's Hawaiian bread. Rolls. With heavy cream, brown sugar, and I like brown sugar, and the powdered sugar that goes on top. I have blueberries and strawberries too, and it's egg in here. So let's get onto this. Oh, put it. You can show them, and then put the strawberries in.
These are the
Can I put them in?
blueberries and strawberries.
Not yet.
You speaking influencer. Can you please speak English?
The TikTok. Who can record a TikTok for me?
Okay.
Stop. Eggs. So 2 eggs.
I got 1 part of it where you cracked it.
Who the fuck threw all that shit in the garbage? With their vanilla extract.
Oh, is that supposed to be in there?
Yes. Cinnamon. Just add some
Medicine, cinnamon.
Lee, you are. I know what color you are. You're cinnamon.
Let me see.
You are cinnamon. You're not even
I thought it was
brown sugar.
caramel.
You cinnamon.
How you open this?
Really, give me
You see?
I'm not joking.
Got my life.
Back in my day, that was called the cinnamon
Oh.
challenge.
Yes.
Yeah,
That
she
shit.
used to choke.
Lee, remember the ice salt one?
Yeah, we going on.
Yo, we fucked up our arm.
That was cinnamon.
Iron rolls.
Vanilla
Open up
extract.
faster. Ate it and it's disgusting.
gotta mix this up.
Hold on. So I forgot we have to put the brown sugar in there. We're using like 2 different recipes. One from Cacao, one from Pinterest. We have to put 2/3 of this. So that'll be 2 cups of the 1/3.
Hi guys, look out for the channel 2024.
We'll cut it this way.
Oh my god.
Shit, I'm about to eat right after snack.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
A what?
Talking shit. Put the stove back on. I need, my plate is getting full.
Jesus Christ. Add 2?
Only God can do. What?
2?
Like 3 or 4.
Oh, I put it as ooh. Shorty looking on my page, better watch me flow.
For my bread, then I added my rose to the pan, and I cooked.
Shorty looking at my plate.
Excuse.
I'm gonna have to do this for this. Honestly, she came over. She'll be back to make iced coffee. You make iced coffee or no?
Yeah.
High volume, high volume, high volume, high volume.
It's the Metro driving me wild. Ooh, hey, you went flying big as spur. Hey, you went drive around the world. Hey, you went round like a squirrel. Hey, you went sitting down pearls. Hey, you went a Rolls Royce cup. Hey, you went a Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want water all my home. Oh, you want to line it all up. Hey,
What do I do the other part? Huh? No.
Joe?
Yeah. Oh, matter of fact, thank you, Lily.
Thank you, Lily. Oh, this is good. Blessing.
This is good. What up, girl?
Can you give me a Mickey plate? Huh?
Is this on? Hi guys, so
Well,
Lily made some breakfast. This is mad good.
Don't put your hand.
Buffalo.
yeah.
I'm not buying that shit again.
Why?
Because that's not the one I usually have. The one I usually have is like a tiny little thing.
And they don't get stuck in there.
Oh my god, that's what I forgot to do. Nice. Yeah, so if you ever want to make this, you get Dunkin' vanilla, extra.
Move your plate before it drops.
You get this, like whole grain bread. Use this other. What's the other whole kind of that I have? This time I have the whole and 2 grains of this is the one I usually use.
I'm going to my room. I'm about to do my hair look like a baddie. Please don't do that. And yeah. Basically, I hit my sister up for these wigs and this and that, period. I'm gonna start my business, but lip gloss, so y'all could come in. You know what I'm saying? Y'all could participate in my little business that I'm gonna make real soon. Just stay tuned.
Do not use that caramel thing. It made the coffee taste nasty. And I make this coffee all the time. I'm gonna just stick to this. And that's it.
Sorry.
So this is the French toast that I made. Some sausage, barely any left for me and my brother sausages, but yeah, this is the food right here.